Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel popcorn in microwave. Start by popping 8 cups of plain popcorn and place it in a large heatproof bowl. Mix 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup butter, 2 tablespoon corn syrup, and a pinch of salt in a microwave-safe bowl. Heat in 30-second bursts, stirring until smooth. Pour caramel over popcorn and toss gently to coat evenly, then bake. Begin with a microwave-safe bowl and stir, often so the caramel cooks evenly and does not scorch. Keep a close eye on the sugar as it can go from golden to burnt quickly. Stirring after each 30-second interval helps maintain a smooth, glossy sauce. When ready, remove the caramel carefully with oven mitts and pour on a popcorn, while still hot to ensure a thin, even coating that crisps nicely. Quickly and confidently, toss the popcorn with the hot caramel using a large spoon or spatula so every kernel gets a thin coat. Spread the coated popcorn in a single layer on a parchment-lined sheet to cool and harden. For extra crunch, bake at a low temperature for 8 to 12 minutes, stirring once halfway. Let it cool completely before breaking into clusters and storing in an airtight container for freshness and crisp texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.